the political spectrum, the radical left versus the far right. What are left wings and what are right wings? What are they? What do they represent? And where do you, as an individual, fall within this political spectrum? So these ideologies are both political, social, and economic ideologies that dictate human morality. They dictate your opinions and how you view the world and how you interact with other people, understand? So, in the left, they value progressiveness, social emancipation. They view religion, racism, and patriarchy as social constructs that must be dismantled for a progressive society. So, political ideologies in the left wings, or political parties in the left wings, are the EFF, Black First, Land First, the PAC, and the ANC. Social ideologies in the left are feminism, gender theory, transgenderism. They believe racism still exists and it must be dismantled, and they believe that women are oppressed by patriarchy. Economic ideologies are communism and socialism. In the right, they want to maintain the status quo. They value tradition. They believe in a family structure, value free speech, believe in a free market system, and they believe that for the progress of a human society, there must be social hierarchies. Parties that fall under the right wings in South Africa is the DA and the Freedom Front. Social ideologies are, they believe there are only two genders, and gender is not a spectrum but a fact. They believe that men and women are equal, but they're not the same. They believe in a church system, and they believe that this thing of transgenderism is a disease which should be dismantled and abolished from the society. And economic policies from the right is capitalism. Vusi Thembekwayo, John Steenhuisen, and Donald Trump are good representations of what right wings, politicians, and public figures are.
Who the heck is this? Who the heck is this? Who the heck is this?